complaint against the CIS SF chief because त्याने आपली ड्युटी केली ना. त्याने जेन्ना गर्दी जाता एअरपोर्टाचेर सेन्सिटिव्ह एरियेन तेन्ना ताबडतोब त्याने ॲक्शन घेवपाक जाय आशिल्ली. एअरपोर्ट डायरेक्टर नंतर पयली जी ॲक्शन जाय आशिल्ली त्याने CISF हाज्या चिफान ॲक्शन घेवपाची गरज आशिल्ली. सो त्याने आपली जबाबदारी पाळली ना. तेजे अगेन्स्ट आमी दिल्ली कंप्लेन करतले की ताका तेजेर ताबडतोब ॲक्शन घेवची म्हणून, कारण त्याने हांकां हाडयलें ना. हांकां हाडोवपाची तेजी पयली जबाबदारी आशिल्ली. आनी एअरपोर्ट डायरेक्टरचे जे स्टाफ आमी पयर मागला एअरपोर्ट डायरेक्टराक जे स्टाफान तांकां मदत केल्या ती मिटींग घेवपाक त्या स्टाफाचेर ॲक्शन घेवपाक जाय ही आमी मागणी केली. आनी तांकां सांगलां आमी तूं जर ॲक्शन घेयना पुलीस कंप्लेन करपाची तुजे अगेन्स्ट आमी कंप्लेन करतले.
I had on 2nd of July filed a complaint with the Secretary Ministry of Civil Aviation, the Chief Secretary of Goa and the DGP against the illegal and unauthorized meeting held at the Daboli airport on the 1st of July by the Bharatiya Janata Party, which was addressed by BJP National President Amit Shah. So now I have decided to move the Honorable Bombay High Court at Goa tomorrow, seeking directions to the government to register an FIR against the organizers of that unlawful meeting, FIR against Amit Shah, Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar, his ministers and MLAs who attended that meeting unlawfully. It is now very clear that there were no permissions whatsoever to conduct that meeting at the Daboli airport.